Kinder. Draw a happy face inside the heart is correct. Sad face is not correct. When you meet a person in the evening,
Ate,
Iya,
you listen ba?
you listen to Mama. Okay, when you meet a person in the evening, you will say, good afternoon.
Sad.
Sad. Very good. Say good night when you want to go to bed.
Happy.
Very good. Check. Say good morning when you wake up in the morning.
Happy.
Very good. When you meet a person in the afternoon, you will say good afternoon.
Happy.
Very good.
You know how.
When you meet somebody in the evening, you will say good morning.
Sad.
Very good. Now, test to put check of the correct polite expression. When you hurt someone, is it thank you or I am sorry?
I'm sorry.
What?
I am sorry.
Very good. When you want to borrow something, may I pass or may I borrow?
May I borrow?
Then correct. Yes. When you receive something, what will you say? I am sorry or thank you?
Thank you.
Very good. When you want to pass something, what will you say? May I help you or may I pass?
May I pass?
Very good. When you go out, what will you say? May I pass or may I go out?
May I go out?
Very good. Next. Box the letters of the correct answer. May I borrow your pen? May I borrow your pen?
Yes.
What will you say? Yes, you may. Or yes, I am sorry.
Yes, you may.
Very good. This gift is for you. What will you say? Welcome or thank you?
Thank you.
Very good. I destroyed your toys. What will you say?
I'm sorry.
I am sorry. Okay, okay. Thank you, Dad. What will you say? You're welcome or it's all right? Thank you, Dad.
Thank you, Dad.
Or what will you say?
Thank you. Are you welcome?
Very good. Excuse me, may I pass? What will you say? It's all right or yes, you may?
Yes, you may.
Very good.
Iya, proper city.
Draw a flower is for girls, then draw a ball is for boys. This one,
Sheep for girls.
very good. Number 2, cap,
For boys.
very good. And then this one, pants for,
Boys again.
very good. And then bag for,
Girls.
very good. And then, what is this?
Bra.
Bra for?
Girls.
And then, this one, undershirt for?
Boys.
Very good. And then dress for?
Girls.
Very good. And then this one, doll for? A doll for?
Girls.
Very good. And then this one,
Car.
car for?
Boys.
Very good. And then this one, what is this?
Hammer.
Hammer for?
Boys.
Very good. Nice. Good job, Iya. And then this one, find the location of the pencil. Find the location of the pencil. The pencil is over or below the balloon?
Over.
Very good. The pencil is over or below the clouds?
Below the clouds.
Very good. The pencil is below or over the table?
Over.
Over. Tama ba na?
Yes, mama.
The pencil is over or below the house?
Below.
Very good. What is this? The pencil is below or over the paper?
Below.
The pencil is over or below the paper? Below is correct, yes. In, on, under, where is the ball located?
In the box.
In the box. Very good. This one, you see? The ball is on, under, or in the box?
That's not a box.
That's a cup.
That's a cup. So where's the ball? It's on the cup, or it's in the cup, or it's under the cup?
On the cup.
Very good.
Right the cup.
Bright siya. Sige na. What is this? Pitcher? The ball is
In, on,
under the pitcher.
In.
Very good. This one. The ball is in, on, under the tree.
Under.
Very good. The ball is in, on, under the clouds.
Under.
Very good. This one. The ball is in, on, under the tree. Very good. The duyan. What is duyan, Iya, in English? Swing. Yeah, very good. Mama is not like that. It's not that good. Gosh. Very good. Glory to God. Yes. Wait. Draw 3 horizontal lines. How will you draw horizontal line, Iya? This one, like this? You did this? Very good. Check.
Dalawa yan, tatlo yan.
Check. 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 Okay? Draw 3 vertical lines, Iya. You did this? Check. 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 Draw 3 zigzag lines. This one is check. 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 Okay. Very good, Iya. Write O for closed curves. Write C for open curves. This one.
Open curve.
Open curve. Check. This one is
Close curve.
closed curve. Very good. This one is
Open curve.
very good. This one is
Close curve.
very good. This one is
Close curve.
very good. This one
Open curve.
what?
Open curve.
Open curve. Very good. This one is
Close curve.
very good. This one is
Open curve.
correct. Very good. This one is
Open curve.
very good. This one, it's a
Close curve.
very good.
Next time.
Okay. 100, 100. So, Iya got 5 stars for
I 100. No.
100. Okay, 100%. So, you have 5 stars.
Mama, 100 nandito ko, please.
Uy, 5 only. 5 stars for perfect score.
Mama, sa akin tendency tayo.
Hindi nga pwede. Yeah, okay, we will put 5 stars over here. And then
Show mommy. Dali, show mommy.
5 stars also for perfect score.
Sige, show mommy. Ganun.
Show mommy. Yay! And then
Tapos,
you like that, oh?
say mommy.
What will you say?
Tita!
Yeah!
Mommy, bukas na exam.
Mami, bukas na exam.
I'm ready.
I'm ready.
Where's Jesus?
No!